A local tribute to honor the victims of the deadly mass shooting in Las Vegas is in the works. 4 of the victims had ties to Corona. KCAL 9's Nicole Comstock tonight tells us about plans to dedicate a baseball field.
You know, there's Tommy at shortstop, or there's Tommy at third base.
They can still see him playing ball here. The people who loved Tommy Day Jr.
He was a legend.
Gar Bywater recently played softball with him here at East Glen Park in Corona, but he and Tommy met when they were 10, when they were number 63 and number 85 on a Pop Warner football team.
It's still pretty raw.
Tommy was one of 4 people from Corona who were killed at the Route 91 Music Festival in Las Vegas. He was there with his teammate Austin Davis, who was also killed, and with his daughters, who he helped get to safety.
We gotta be strong for the family.
So it was Bywater's vision to dedicate this field to his dear friend, with a plaque honoring all 59 victims.
This is a place that we can have their names as a footprint, a legacy.
Corona Mayor Karen Spiegel says the city had to get creative, making a proposal that would work within their policies. Their suggested new name, Remembrance Field.
It really is sort of dumbfounding that that sort of thing occurs.
The city council will consider it Wednesday.
Tommy's with us.
Tommy's family wears his fingerprint close to their hearts. And they hope the other local victims will have their fingerprints here on the diamond. So again, the city will consider this proposal Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock, and they tell us someone has already stepped forward to cover the funding if this is in fact approved. Reporting from Corona, Nicole Comstock, KCAL 9 News.